Hello students, in this video I will solve question number 6 to 10 of exercise 3.2 and this is the last exercise of chapter 3. Now all these questions are related to division. As you know, we are discussing about division, so we will perform division in all these questions. So let's start. Question number 6. Sixth question is, Omkar has rupees 400. If the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 30, then how much cloth he can bought and how much money remains left with him? So it is given that Omkar has rupees 400 in total and cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 30. Then we have to perform division. Now we have to write cloth bought equals then how much cloth he can bought. So it is equals rupees 400 divided by rupees 30. Now we have to perform division. So rupees and rupees are cancelled because we are going to divide the quantity of same unit with the other quantity of same unit. So units are cancelled. Now in this way we have to perform the division. Listen, first two digits will be considered because we cannot divide 4 by 30, so we will consider 40. 30 1 ja 30, after subtraction we have 10, then copy this 0, we have 100, 30 3 ja 90 and the remainder is 10. It means Omkar can buy or he can purchase 30 meter piece of cloth and the remaining amount is rupees 10. So we have to mention in a proper way. Cloth bought equals 13 meter and amount left equals rupees 10. Okay, and draw a rectangle around your answer so it is highlighted. Now the answer of question number 6 of exercise 3.2 is meter and rupees 10. Okay students, note it down. Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 7. All the questions are very easy because there is only division. How many garlands can be made using 648 flowers? Whenever 24 flowers are needed to make one garland. What is garland? You know, garland means जो फूलों की माला होती है उसे garland कहते हैं. Now how many garlands? So question number 7 we have to write number of garlands equals 648 divided by 24. So perform the division. 648 and it is 24. So if you don't remember the table you can just write roughly. आप roughly लिख सकते हैं and it's very easy to write the table of 24. It is 48, it is 72. You can see that 72 is bigger, so we will write 24 to ja 48. After subtraction we have 16. Okay, and copy this 8. Now 168 we have to find if this number comes in the table or not. Now keep continue writing the table. Okay, we got it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ja, so 24, 7 ja 168, and the remainder is 0. It means number of garlands made by 648 flowers is 27. Erase this rough work. Okay, so the answer is 27. You can write number of garlands is 27. This is the answer of 7th question of exercise 3.2. 7th question, answer is 27. Students, note it down. Next is question number 8. Okay, the question is, find the number of years in 936 months. So we have to convert months into years. As you know, when we have to convert years into months, we multiply by 12, and if we have to convert months into years, we have to divide the number by 12. So number of years is 936 divided by 12. Okay, so 936 is dividend and 12 is the divisor. Again, consider the table of 12. So I am writing 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. Okay, 48, 60, 72, and it is the table of 12. As you can see, we cannot write 12 as a 96 because it is bigger. So it is 12 7 ja 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 12 7 ja 84. Okay, after subtraction it is 9 and we copy 6, it is 96. Check if 96 is there. Yes, it is there. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we write 12 8 ja 96 and the remainder is 0. Now number of years is 78. Okay students, so it is the answer of question number 8, that is 78. I hope you understood this question and the concept behind this. I repeat again, जब भी आप years को month में convert करते हैं, आपको 12 से multiply करना होगा, और जब भी months को years में convert करना है, आप उस number को 12 से divide करेंगे, then you will get the number of years. So there are 70 years. Note it down. Okay students, now question number 9. What is the question? It is cost of 15 copies is rupees 180. Find the cost of one copy. Okay, you have many copies like the copy of Hindi, copy of maths. So suppose you have 15 copies in your school bag and the total cost is rupees 180. If you have to find out the cost of one copy, what you will do? How we will find the answer? So we will perform division, because I explained you that the information about many is given and it is required for only one. Perform the division. तो इस क्वेश्चन में 15 कॉपीज का अमाउंट गिवन है और वन कॉपी का पूछा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? डिवीजन करेंगे. So be careful. Question number 9. Cost of one copy is rupees 180 and it is divided by 15. Okay, so perform the division 180 by 15. So the table of 15 is easy. 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30, 30 is bigger, 15 1 जा 15. After subtraction we get 3, copy this 0 and it is 15 2 जा 30, remainder is 0. It means the cost of one copy is rupees 12. So write your answer. Cost of one copy is rupees 12. So this is the answer of question number 9, rupees 12. Okay students, I hope you understood this question and the concept behind this. Pause the video and note it down. Next and last question of this exercise, question number 10. So the question is, a total of 682 oranges are packed equally in 31 cartons. How many oranges are packed in one carton? Okay, again it is required for one carton, so we have to perform the division. Now we have to write oranges packed in one carton. Number of oranges packed in one carton is 682 divided by 31. You can write division in this form also, or you can write 682 upon 31. Both are similar. Perform the division 682 and it is 31. Now 31 is a bigger number, so I am going to write the table. 31, it is 2, it is 6, 3, 9, it is 3, it is 12, it is 4, it is 15. Okay, there is some mistake. It is 4, it is 12, it is 5, it is 15. Okay, now I have written the table of 5 times, table of 31 5 times. If we need some more numbers, then we will write the table after this number. So try to divide. Number is 31. As you can see, it is 68. So we have to write 31 2 ja 62. Okay, and it is remaining 2 is remaining after subtraction. It is okay. It is 6. 6 is remaining. 68 minus 62 is 6. Copy this 2. Now the number is 62. You can see in the table 31 2 ja 62. 31 2 ja 62. So the answer will be 22. So we can say, if we have 682 oranges and we are packing 31 in 31 cartons equally. ओके, मीन्स 31 कार्टन में अगर हम इक्वली इनको अरेंज करें तो एक कार्टन में 22 ऑरेंजेस को हम पैक कर सकते हैं. सो टोटल 31 कार्टन्स में ये सारे ऑरेंजेस इक्वली पैक होंगे. मीन्स हर कार्टून में, हर एक कार्टन में, सॉरी इट इज कार्टन नॉट कार्टून, हर एक कार्टन में 22 ऑरेंजेस को हम पैक करेंगे. सो इट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. आपको सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए होंगे बिकॉज सभी के सभी डिवीजन से रिलेटेड हैं. सो दिस इज द बेसिक मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन. देयर आर 4 ऑपरेशंस: एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. सो एंजॉय द लर्निंग बाय दिस वे एंड ऑनेस्टली do your homework which is given in the assignment. Okay students, have a nice day.